Butang niya ang black.
Ay, tuluan, manuning barber nun.
Ada, Jud.
Gali, shit.
Yan na. Hindi naman lagi siya. Diba, diri yan na yung kuhan. Nagsandi. Katumang kuhan. Kani, oo.
Listen. Oh, listen.
Daw sa ka. Diri ka ng kuhan.
Okay, so now that it's starting to get dark, Jacob and Dad are going to go night diving.
Look.
Diba?
Hold the button down for 3 seconds. There you go.
Where's the sunlight?
Kaon siya.
Kaon, guys. Excuse that. Excuse my guapa.
Ah, okay. Tanaw ko.
Ah, guapa. Ay.
That's a ga.
Masa. Palanto,
Saya ra ani mo shoulder. Dili yung ulo.
Itong anak ba? Si Mama na putukawan. Kuno to.
Say pag side view.
Ah, guapa ha. Uy.
Hala!
Tawa na kuya, kay ang buhok padulong sa imo.
Kanila. Hindi na ay puto si Lupit.
Kala na day.
Show me your fish, Jake.
Good morning, everybody, and today is the last day here in Hawaii.
Baka na siya lang. Hindi na still mo.
Yung kuha na siya.
Sa salita.
Namasulan pa kuha ang buhok.
Sa salita.
Jacob's little fish.
That's so cute.
All right, Jake.
Kasi
Yes.
There's been a lot of firsts on this trip, huh? Your first peg, Nathan and Jacob's first spearfishing trips,
First urchin one.
first time parasailing.
The trip was the first.
I'm glad you guys
Ah,
had some
papa,
fun.
sa mong langga eh.
All right, let's do it.
Very pretty.
Pick up that pig meat, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Tommy, next.
Are you throwing it down your pants?
Yeah, it
Ang
insulates
sublay.
waterproof. Oh, that's over 50,000.
Ah! Ah! Gupa.
Oh, no.
Ah!
If you like this video,
Grabe, beautiful.
videos on my YouTube channel after Tom. I got more videos coming out
Ah!
soon, and I'll see you next time.
Grabe.
Kailangan ng hair?
Ah!
Yan, with just a finger comb, thanks to Palmolive Naturals. With 100% natural aloe vera extract for hair so smooth that you can just finger comb.
Look here at the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. I'm
Okay, finish.
My friend Jake and his wife Heather, and we're doing the Happy Wife Cold Weather Challenge, where we're gonna see if we can go
Okay, ah.
Maine half
Woo! Grabe, nagawa pa, ah. Grabe!